Internet's favorites, 5 cooking hacks that really work wonders. Life hack, dice with ease using a cooling rack. Dice hard-boiled eggs and avocados swiftly with a cooling rack placed over a bowl, using a large flat metal spatula for perfect, uniform pieces ideal for a party-ready Cobb salad. Life hack, discover oven hot zones using parchment paper. Identify and avoid oven hot spots to prevent uneven baking by preheating to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, placing parchment paper in the center, and noting darker areas, providing a quick test for optimal food placement. Life hack, use a vodka bottle to flatten dough. Upgrade your rolling pin hack by using a frozen vodka bottle to keep pie dough cold, ensuring a flakier crust in warm conditions, and rolling between parchment layers to prevent condensation absorption. Life hack, apply non-stick spray to your spoon. Coat your measuring spoon with non-stick spray before measuring sticky substances like honey or syrup to facilitate easy sliding into your mixing bowl. Life hack, keep butter papers. Save the butter wrapper from the refrigerator and use it to grease your baking pans for the next time you bake. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.